Okay, I am going to show you how to create a dynamic discount code in Klaviyo. On your Klaviyo dashboard, simply go to the Coupons page. Then create a Shopify coupon name. This is the internal name, so just do something like Welcome. This prefix is what will show inside the email when somebody uses the coupon. You'll also see it in the Shopify notification once someone makes a purchase. Using a consistent prefix makes it easy to track which coupons were used. Next, set up your discount details, for example, 10% off the entire order. For flows, you'll want to choose activation at send time and expiration after a certain number of days. This ensures that when someone signs up, they have a fixed period before the coupon expires. For example, you could set it to 14 days. Then click Create Coupon. Inside your email, wherever the coupon should appear, you simply want to add a syntax for the dynamic coupon inside a text block. It doesn't have to be a separate text block. Any text block in Klaviyo will work. For example, you can write something like, "Here is your coupon," and then paste the dynamic coupon syntax. The key thing to change is the internal name of the coupon. This is the same name you entered when creating the coupon. In this case, it's Welcome. That's all you need to do, and Klaviyo will automatically generate a unique code for each recipient based on this setup. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic discount code in Klaviyo, making it easy to send unique, personalized coupons to your subscribers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Klaviyo tips and tricks on the channel. Thanks for watching.